Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how Jeff Bezos gets struggle in his life. Jeff Bezos is one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. He's the founder of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, and his net worth is estimated to be over $150 billion. But Bezos wasn't always rich and famous. In fact, he started from humble beginnings. Bezos was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico, in 1964. His parents divorced when he was young, and he spent most of his childhood with his mother. As a child, Bezos showed an early interest in science and technology. He spent hours tinkering with gadgets and experimenting with new ideas. In the early 1990s, Bezos moved to Seattle and started working at a hedge fund. But he soon became interested in the internet, which was just starting to take off. In 1994, Bezos quit his job and started Amazon from his garage. He saw an opportunity to sell books online, and he believed that the internet could revolutionize the way we shop. At first, Amazon was just a small startup with a few employees. But Bezos had a vision for the company, and he worked tirelessly to make it a success. He invested heavily in technology and logistics, and he was always looking for new ways to improve the customer experience. Today, Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, selling everything from books to electronics to groceries. It has over 800,000 employees and a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. But Bezos didn't achieve this success overnight. He faced many challenges along the way. In the early days, Amazon struggled to make a profit. Bezos had to raise millions of dollars in funding just to keep the company afloat. But he never gave up. He believed in his vision for Amazon, and he was willing to take risks to make it a reality. Bezos once said, "I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that. But I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying." This quote sums up Bezos' approach to entrepreneurship. He was willing to take risks and pursue his dreams, even if it meant failing along the way. And that's why Jeff Bezos is such a motivational figure. He shows us that anything is possible if we're willing to work hard and pursue our dreams. So if you're feeling stuck or uninspired, just remember Jeff Bezos' story. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.